Hey, we're gonna go after striper again today. Low tide. Very low today. Maximum low tide 7:35. Oh, TT is going. Alright, light breeze, birds flying. Everybody's launching today.
Low right there, that's
It's
space,
really
man.
low.
That
Low
cold
tide. We're heading out for some striper action again. Hey, we're gonna try the deep water. Maybe possible some salmon today. Okay. Alright, look how low it is. Yeah. That's nice. Oh, he put a fishing pole holder. Okay. Alright, let's see what do we do today. We'll let you know. Oh, the guy in my private property.
Hey, water.
Yeah. Oh man, you got a full load now.
Chong.
Oh, only regular bluegill. Over there in the, yeah, the little cove that we drive in. Huh? There's a guy over there right now, but all regular bluegill. Yeah, too slow. I don't like it. And we got a couple shiner over there. That's it. Huh? And we're keeping those, man. Yeah. $5 a piece, huh? Okay. There we go. Come on. We're at the 5-minute spot. It's biting. It's biting. What is that? Let him take it. Let him take it right there. It's slowing down. Let him take it. Let him take it. Let him take it. Let him take it. He's swallowing it. It's killing it. There we go. Let him take it, man. Don't rush it. He hasn't swallowed yet. He's gonna go. He's gonna go. Set your rod down. Oh, I think too soon, man. Got it? Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's right. Woohoo. That's it. Easy, easy. Hey, net boy.
Where's the net?
Over there.
Come on, man. My nose back, man. My nose back. Oh, no.
Oh, easy. It's gonna come out of his mouth, man. Don't pick it up, man.
Like boat đôi dây.
Oh, not too big. Yeah, he choked at his shit. Yeah.
Is it from bait này nói vậy?
Yeah, it's a big bait.
Too big bait for that fish, but he liked it.
Swallow it. One down. All right, baby. Another one already. Nah, where's the net?
Another one.
Oh, that's a nice one. Wait up. It's okay. Second one, 5 minutes. That's a good size. Good size. Here. Here. Net. Dang. Plates off. Come on, man. I need to get my bait in the water. Woo! You gonna spill the fucking. Hey, wait up. Go ahead. There we go.
No, you gotta get the head up.
All right.
You gotta get the head up. I can't see. It's strong there.
There we go. Oh, nice size. Look at that. Hey, don't kill my bait. Look at my bait, baby. That's the bait.
Go put your bait, dude.
That's the bait.
It's
okay.
is gone out of my